He cleaned office floors during the day. But at night, he was building something massive. Nobody saw it coming. This is the unbelievable story of Ronald Reed, the janitor who died a multimillionaire, and shocked the entire world. Ronald Reed was a gas station attendant and janitor in Vermont, USA. He lived in a small house, drove a second-hand car, and dressed so simply. People thought he was barely surviving, but Ronald had a secret. He spent decades reading about businesses, not just cleaning them. Instead of spending, he saved. Every extra dollar went into stocks, not flashy ones, but solid, long-term companies like AT&T, General Electric, and Procter & Gamble. No one knew this quiet janitor was building a portfolio worth $8 million, all by reading newspapers, staying consistent, and never panicking when markets crashed. He wasn't lucky, he was patient. When Ronald passed away in 2014, the town was shocked. A janitor left behind $6 million to a local hospital and library. That's when the world found out. This humble man had quietly become a self-made millionaire. No fame, no nose, just smart moves. Ronald Reed's story proves you don't need a million followers, a fancy degree, or startup capital. You need discipline, patience, and belief in long-term growth. Subscribe to Infinity Prosper for more powerful stories that inspire, educate, and change how you think about money and success.